blankets that they make. Look at her.
We're walking up here. Look at this lady here. She's got a beautiful headdress on here.
And you can see it's the season of the mango.
Wow.
Banana.
How are you?
Papaya.
I love you.
The pomelos, very nice, yes.
Gosh,
Yeah, we're still walking here. Look at that big mountain up there. The road that goes up there, but we're going that way, I think.
Hello.
Hello.
Welcome to the paradise.
Ah, we'll probably have to sit up here.
So what we have here, we have the tool. So she's got the tree that we're using today is mulberry, which is here. So she's just going to go through this demonstration. They would usually strip the wood and then they would beat it on the rock just to get the nice the fabric with this instrument here. They call it hike. Tamanu. Okay, so Aito. Okay. Okay. No. All right. So the instrument that they're using is the uke, and also the wood of this is from the ironwood tree or the cassoria tree. You guys seen that? Yeah, the cassoria tree. So it's called over here. They call it aito, and it's a very strong wood. We use it for many things, but most importantly, it's used to make the TAPA. So she's just going to go through on how they get the inner layer of fiber from the wood. There's many different ways of doing it, then this is one of those.
So on the tables that you have there where the TAPA cloth is, the white TAPA that you see there is from the mulberry tree. The light brown is from the breadfruit tree, and the dark brown is from the banyan. So as you see, that's the difference between the TAPA there. What she's using, as Buddha just explained, is the mulberry.
This is the banyan tree, or the banyan bark, otherwise known I know it as haba. And here we've got what she's doing is the mulberry. So different textures. And this one here is the breadfruit, or the ulu. And now
We're having a little confab as to what that is up there. You shall see. Not good lighting in here, so.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Looks like a
Sorry, I
sexual
don't
thing.
speak French, but I can understand Maori. So as she's beating it into a shape, and this shape represents the lady's placenta. Or here,
That's what I thought it was, yeah.
Inata.
I know my way around there.
In where I'm from, we call it whenua. Inata, whenua, they all mean the same thing, where it comes from, the land. So she will fold it into this and she'll start beating this, and it's the shape of the woman's placenta or inata. And in many cultures, in all the Polynesian cultures, it's different. But here in Marquesas, all the women do this together. But I know in different islands, there's one certain family that can create the tapa. Because the tapa is very
Oh, look at the
sacred.
size of it there.
And,
Yeah,
very
yeah.
beautiful.
Yeah, very good. Very good. Let's see. Oh, look at
And
this.
what
This
she's
is
grating the
coffee.
coconut with is called a kanna.
These are all
Okay,
beat up, and
this
it's
is
still
the modernized
damp
kanna.
here also.
Back in the
Here,
days,
look
they
at
used
that.
to use shells.
That's the ylang ylang flower,
She's got the wild basil.
wild basil. And
And we're going to add about the jasmine flower
some jasmine flower
and mint.
and mint. Gonna make that coconut oil.
So we've got ylang ylang, wild basil, jasmine, and mint, and gardenia, tiare. So what she's going to do with the coconut that she's grated, she's going to use it and squeeze the coconut cream from the coconut onto the beautiful plants, because we're making a nice fragrance.
Ah, okay. You're squeezing it out there. All that stuff that
She's
was in
using the
there.
husk of the coconut as a cheesecloth, so something to
Oh yeah,
squeeze.
the husk is used as a sieve. There's the juice coming out. Yeah. There we go. And she's putting the little mint and jasmine and ylang ylang in there.
So all
It
the
smells very
flowers,
good,
she's
ylang
mixing it in
ylang.
with the coconut cream. Alright, so they've actually made the mixture, the flowers, the coconut cream all together, and the juices infused with the flowers, the scent of the flowers. Then we would pour the coconut oil onto our skin. So growing up in the islands, using coconut cream was our moisturizer, or was something for our hair, our moisture, our whole body. We would mix it together. And this is also like a medicine for us, for our body. So usually I'd add a bit more, we could add a bit of ginger, you could add ginger with it as well. But today it's just the flowers that we have. And usually we would use this all over our body. So it's very, very yummy.
I'm going to try the coconut oil here in a minute. So we'll see how it goes.
So we got mint, we got, they call it bubble, we got ylang ylang.
Yeah, putting it on my arms here. It feels pretty good. And it's not the pure oil, but
We got
it is there.
ginger, sensoro. So this is a ginger used to make this beautiful crown. So they mix all these flowers together and a bit of pineapple. Suntan powder. What is it made of? Yeah. Okay, so they're gonna mix this all together. It smells
A
like
little
crown.
discrepancy of what the other secret ingredient is there, so I'm checking it out. Papyrus ash. Alright,
Okay, so they're mixing all these flowers together and then
we think it's some kind of ash from some kind of tree. We don't know. It's brown. They're mixing up different things in there.
oh. So what she's made is it's kind of like a shell.
Ah, okay.
So basically, it's just a decoration for your hair.
Our guide is getting her head thing on there.
Got it? Yeah.
She's getting all little sticks put in her hair and starting to take shape there and getting it all folded up.
So it's used as an accessory to your hair, but at the same time, because of all the combinations of the fragrances, it also acts as a perfume. And it attracts all the young lads.
And so it's just a decoration for the hair, but also you're going to be walking around and smelling so lovely to not attract them.
Very good. These are some of the ones. This is made from the breadfruit. This is the banyan, and this is the other type here that they make here. So I just bought one. Sales lady there. Nice taps on her arm.
Tato pag-uwi! Ay! Wow!
breadfruit chips. Here, we're eating breadfruit chips.
And I'm eating
here.
mango
Okay.
with the breadfruit chips.
Okay. So good here. Yes. Enjoying ourselves. Well, walking back to the boat now. Mostly downhill. Hot. A little bit of a breeze. This island's very green. Very mountainous too. There are all these little hills and everything here. Not as big a population on this island. I think she said 600 people. Looks like a little store here they got there. You need to get your Coke or maybe a brewski in there, I don't know. But little 7-Eleven type store there maybe, or a Wawa. Okay, we got some smoke up ahead. And yeah, working our way back down to the ship. Farewell to the island here. All greenery up there. We're getting in, out of here. Had a nice day this morning, heading back to the ship here. All right, going us up there somewhere. I don't know where.